Ananta Krishna, please turn on your video. So it's time for us to begin our session, right? Good morning, all of you. We have
Good
completed
morning, ma'am.
topic parts of speech in general in the previous class, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
And we
ma'am.
need to learn a lot about content words and form words in the session. Okay. I hope you have got the messages today from me for completing worksheet pages number 5 to 9. While doing it, if there is any confusion comes, you can personally contact me and I'll be clearing your doubts. Okay. Okay. So my request to all, please mute your audio. Agne, please mute your audio and turn on your video. These are the two instructions you must follow. Ananta,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning, child. Good morning, all of you. Very good. Very
Good
quiet
morning, ma'am.
classroom today. Good morning. It's a quiet classroom today. So in between, when I ask you the question, any one person please unmute it and give me the answer. Okay. Mass answers I won't appreciate. Okay. So my dear
Okay, ma'am.
children, okay, fine. My dear children, very good morning. So today's
Good
session,
morning, ma'am.
good morning. Today's session,
Good morning,
content
ma'am.
words and form words. We are going to discuss content words and form words today. See, we covered nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, preposition, conjunction, and interjections in our previous class, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
These are the topics we covered in the previous class in general, right? In general, we completed all these topics with examples, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope that you have already completed your notes and all the examples which I have uploaded in the school's website also. I hope so. Let me see once you are there at school. Okay, I'll be checking your
Ma'am, I
papers.
completed the 5 to 9 question pages.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So for supporting up the some works in worksheet number 2 or 3, we need this topic, content words and form words. Let me ask you a question. What do you mean by content words in English grammar? Can anybody help me? What are content words in English grammar?
Ma'am, joining two words.
Content words are stressed words in English. Content words are also known as stressed words in English. What are they? They are the stressed
Stress
words.
words.
When we talk with someone, we are not stressing on all the words, right? We'll be stressing only on certain words, some particular words like nouns. We'll be stressing on the verbs. We'll be stressing on the adjectives, verbs and adverbs in a sentence. But we won't be stressing on these pronouns, at the same time auxiliary verbs, at the same time conjunctions and interjections in a sentence, right? So content
Okay,
words
ma'am.
are stressed words. What are content words? Content words are the stressed
First
words in
word.
English word.
First word.
It is also known as stressed words. Stressed words. If you
Word.
search the meanings for these words in a dictionary, you will be getting the meanings for all these content words. It is easy to find out the word meaning from a dictionary. Okay, so my dear children, these content words are known as stressed words. For example, Raju is my brother. Okay, for example, Raju is my brother. So in this sentence, I have just stressed on the word Raju and also brother. But I haven't stressed on the words is and also my. Okay, so these kind of words are silent words and stressed words. The stressed words and non-stressed words. Stressed words and non-stressed words. So the stressed words are called content words in English grammar. So parts of speech, there are 8 in number, right? We have 8. We have learned 8 wordings, or we have learned 8 parts, right? Once if we get a sentence, if we divide it into pieces, we can even label 8 names for them, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? So what are the 8
Yes, ma'am.
classifications
Yes,
under
ma'am.
parts of speech? Can anybody tell me? What are the classification? There are 8 classifications under participation. Yeah.
Verbs,
1 minute.
conjunctions,
1 minute. My question. All of you mute. My question. Alok. Alok Vipulikal. Alok, please unmute your audio. Alok, I request you to unmute your audio. Alok?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Alok, can you tell me the classifications under parts of speech? What are the classification under parts of speech? Okay, I need support from Ananta Krishna, right? Your name is Ananta Krishna. Please
Yes, ma'am.
please unmute your audio and respond. What are the 8 classifications under parts of speech?
Verbs, nouns, pronouns,
Okay,
conjunctions,
let us start from noun. So noun,
nouns, pronouns,
pronouns, verbs,
adjectives,
adjectives,
adverbs,
adverbs,
prepositions,
prepositions,
conjunctions, and interjection.
Interjection and interjection. These are the 8 classifications under parts of speech, isn't it? But we are
Okay, ma'am.
not stressing on all these words in a sentence. We are not. When we talk with someone, when we converse with someone, we'll be stressing on certain words. These stressed words are called content words in English grammar. Now, we need to know what are the classifications coming under content words, isn't it? Isn't it? So, let me share a screen for you. Children, please listen carefully. All of you mute your audio. All of you mute your audio. Angelina, please mute your audio. So, my dear children, we are going to learn parts of speech. Parts of speech. 8 in number. And we have divided it into content words and form words. Okay? Content words and form words. Right?
Like this.
Am I clear? Content words and form words. We are going to divide this parts of speech into content words and form words. What are content words? Content words are the stressed words. Content words are the stressed words. The form words? Form words are non-stressed words. Okay. Non-stressed words. Am I clear? So content words and
Yes,
form
ma'am.
words. First one, first classification content words. Second classification form words. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
content words. What are called content words?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Non-stressed words.
Yeah,
Stressed
content words
words.
are the stressed
Stressed words.
words. Content words are the stressed
Excuse
words.
me, ma'am.
So, yes.
Ma'am, should we write this?
If you have a paper, you please note it down. So, my dear
Okay,
children, listen now. Content words are also known as stressed words.
Stressed
So,
words.
I have given an example. Raju is my brother. In this sentence, when we converse with someone, we'll be stressing only on Raju and the stress comes only on brother. These are the is and my are the non-stressed words. So the stressed words are content words and the non-stressed words are form words. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
We need to know which are the words or what are the words
Ma'am, can you
coming
repeat
under.
the name?
Ah,
Ma'am, can you repeat the name of non-stressed word?
yes, of course. Please concentrate now. Content words. Okay. Please look at the board now. Content words. We are going to learn content words now. Content words are also known as stressed words.
Stressed
Okay?
words.
Stressed
Yes, ma'am.
words. Let me repeat. Content words are also known as
Stressed
stressed words in English
words.
grammar. Some parts of speech, nouns, verbs, not only the see, verbs only we are labeling the main verbs. Main verbs are only coming under the category called stressed words or content words. Okay, nouns, verbs, only main verbs. Okay, third one, adjectives. Adjectives. Fourth one, adverbs.
Adverbs.
Adverbs. Only these four are coming under the category called content words.
words.
These are the stressed words in English grammar. Let me repeat it. Content words are also known as stressed
Stressed
words.
words.
Content words are also known as stressed
Stressed
words in English
words.
grammar. And what are the stressed words in English? Nouns,
Noun,
main
verb,
verbs, adjectives,
Adverbs.
words. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Now,
listen, all of you mute your audio. I request all my dear
adjectives,
students to
adverbs.
mute your audio. All of you. Anthony Joel Joshi, mute it. John Sebi, turn on your video. Ananda Krishna, turn on your video. Yes. I have told you don't give answers together. I want one by one participation. If you all talk together, it's difficult for others to digest what I am teaching here. Right? So my dear children, listen. Content words are the stressed words in English grammar. Listen carefully. All of you listen carefully. Content words are the stressed words in English grammar. And these stressed words in English grammar, once we remove nouns, verbs, there are two verbs we have learned, right? I have told you already. There are main verbs and auxiliary verbs. There are main verbs and auxiliary verbs. Here, only the main verbs can be classified under content words. Am I clear? She speaks English. She speaks English. Speaks shows tense. It is a main verb. Am I clear? It is a main verb. Jumps.
ma'am.
They talk. So here, talk is a main verb. But she is a dancer. There is used as an auxiliary verb. Even though it is a verb, we are labeling it as a helping verb. Okay, is an auxiliary verb. So my dear children, remember, don't forget, auxiliary verbs are not at all coming under the content word. These auxiliary verbs are form words in English grammar. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, very good, very good. So let me explain once again. Content words are the stressed words. When we converse with someone, we'll be stressing on certain words. Which are the words we use to stress?
Nouns,
Nouns,
adjectives,
adjectives,
Main words, nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives.
Listen carefully. Don't say verbs because it has a verb.
Main verbs.
Verb can be
Main
divided
verbs.
into main verbs and helping verbs. Helping verb is not at all a content word. It is actually classified under the form words. Am I clear? So
Yes,
say
ma'am.
main
Yes, ma'am.
verbs. Okay.
Main
So
verbs.
our content words, list of content words classifications under content words are nouns, adjectives, main verbs
verbs,
and adverbs.
adverbs.
There are four. There are four classifications, or there are four main classifications from parts of speech are coming under the first type, that is content words, the stressed words. Am I clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear to you? So
Yes,
Raju
ma'am.
is a noun. It is a content word.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Is an
Excuse me,
auxiliary.
ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I I have some connection problems. So can I leave the meeting and come again?
Okay. You leave the meeting and just I'll admit you. No problem. Leave the meeting and come back. No problem. So my dear children, all others please listen. So content words we discussed over here, right? The next topic is form words. Content words. If content words are the stressed word, there is another part called non-stressed words in English grammar. These non-stressed words are form words. Another name for the form words. Form words, can anybody tell me?
Non-stressed
Non-stressed words.
Non-stressed
Any other
words.
name?
Non-stressed
These
words.
non-stressed words are called structural words because these non-stressed words help us to just connect all the main verbs or connect all the content words to form a grammatically beautiful sentence. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There are two divisions: content words, nouns, adjectives, main verbs, and adverbs. At the same time, the opposite side, what comes? Once we remove these nouns, please listen. Okay, I agree. So now all of you mute your audio and listen. Once we remove these nouns, adjectives, main verbs and also the adverbs, what remains? Pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions and interjections. Okay, not only these words, we are going to add two more. Auxiliary verbs are form words and articles. Now my next question. How many articles are there in English grammar, children? Let me ask this question. Let me ask this question. No, I am here. Fia Maria, please answer my question. How many articles are there in English grammar? Fia?
Yes, ma'am.
Fia, can you help me to find out an answer for this question?
Yes,
How many articles are there in English grammar? Fia, I don't know what are articles. Can you help me to find out a solution for this problem?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, now you tell me. How many articles?
There are 4 articles.
Or, I think let us ask the same question to Nandita Anil. Nandita, can you help me? How many articles are used in English grammar? How many articles are there in English grammar? Fia said 4. I don't know whether it is 4 or 2 or 1 or 3 or whatever it is. Can you help me, Nandita?
3.
How many articles are there, Nandita?
3.
3. Partially you are correct. Let me ask Adil. Adil, how many articles are there in English grammar?
Ma'am, there are three articles.
3 articles. Okay, then let me ask. You're correct. You're correct. But I need to ask this question to Amna Fatima. Amna, can you help me to find an answer for this question? How many articles are there in English grammar? Your friend said 4 and 3.
There are 3 articles, A and the.
I agree. But according to the grammarians, there are 2 articles in English grammar. Okay? There are, let me explain this concept. There are 2 articles. How many articles? 2 articles. Definite article and indefinite article. Okay, how many articles are there in English grammar? There are only 2 types of articles. How many types of articles are there? 2 types. Definite article, indefinite article. Okay, what is definite article?
A-N.
Definite is the. The is the definite article. Oh, indefinite article?
And
Or an. A or an. A boy, an apple. We never use a apple and an boy, right? So a or an. Am I clear? So there are two articles, definite article, indefinite article. And what your friend said, the number is correct. There are three numbers, right? Three. A, the, and. Three. So I partially, you are not wrong. I am also not wrong. We are, both of us are correct. Okay, because I have told you there are two articles, there are two types of articles, definite article, the indefinite article, a or an. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
How many articles are there?
Ma'am.
Two articles.
3, ma'am.
Two articles, ma'am.
Okay, there are
Two
two
articles.
articles, definite article,
Two
the
type of
indefinite
articles.
article, a or an. Am I clear? So these articles are a part of form words or the non-stressed words used in English grammar. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
children,
ma'am.
content words and form words. Content words are the stressed words in English grammar. Form words are the non-stressed words in English grammar. Content words are the stressed words.
Stressed
Nouns.
words.
So let me repeat it. Nouns, main words, adjectives, adverbs are coming under content words. At the same time, pronouns, auxiliary verbs, articles, preposition, conjunctions are coming under the form words. Form words are also known as non-stressed words. Am I clear? Form words are also known as
Ma'am, it is also known as stretchable words, right?
what is it? Structural words. Yeah, absolutely right. And these form words are also known as structural words because it links. The form words links or it connect all the content words to form a grammatically correct sentence. Okay, in English grammar or English language. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear? So it's now your turn. I'm going to give you 2 or 3, 4 questions, or 4 or 5 questions. Now you do one thing. You have a paper. You draw a box. One side you write content words. The other side you write form word. Okay. I'm going to give you 2 or 3 or 4 examples. You are going to pick out content words out of those sentences and also form words from the same. Let us, all of you take your pen and paper. Have you taken?
Yes, ma'am.
Draw a small box.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Divide it
We
into
should
2.
write. We should write in the paper.
Yes, definitely you have to.
Ma'am, we
Okay,
can write
so
in the
write.
book. Ma'am, after that we should file it.
Children, please listen carefully. You have to take a paper and you draw a box like this and write exactly like this. One side content word, the other side form words. Content words, form words.
Ma'am, I am using a rough book, ma'am.
No problem. Afterwards, you can write it in ruled paper. No problem. Now,
Then we can note, file it.
yes, once you are completing it in a paper, you can file it in English file. Okay, question number 1. Question number 1. Right? Question number 1. She went to the store. S-T-O-R-E. She went to the store. Question number 2. He came by bus. Question number 2. He came by bus. Question number 3. Question number 3. It is under the table. It is under the table. Question number 4. She bought a shirt. Question number 5.
Ma'am, can you tell the question number 5?
I like chocolate and ice cream. I like chocolate and ice cream. These are the 5 questions. Now it's your time. You please pick out the content words and place it here and write the form words and write it on the spot. Okay? All of you find out the answers.
Ma'am, I do write the question, ma'am.
Ma'am, what's the second question?
I didn't write.
Please write fast. She went to the store. He came by bus. It is under the table. She bought a shirt. I like chocolate and ice cream. Pick out content words and list it under the content words column. Pick out form words and list it in the form word column.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, we cannot
Have you sent the notes?
see
We cannot see the notes.
ma'am.
Voice is
Ma'am,
not
we-
clear for me.
Ma'am, will you send the notes? The notes in the WhatsApp.
Children, I am telling you, before I'm starting my class, I'm uploading all the notes in the school's website. Once my class is over, please download it from the school website and try to complete it in the note. And the homework, whichever I am giving daily, you have to copy down in a paper and have to attach along with your note. Am I clear? And I have a request, you please start doing your worksheet pages 5 to 9 today onwards. Okay, by Tuesday it must be completed. And it's time to wind up my session. I hope that you will be doing this homework and you will be sending it to me, answers. Okay, so it's time to end my meeting. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Do you have any doubt?
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Oh, very happy.
Ma'am,
Okay. Bye bye.
Blah, 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 blah.
Yes.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes.
Bye bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Amna, did you call me?
Bye bye, Ananda.
Thank you,
Ayman?
ma'am.
No, I did not call you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ayman,
okay,
bye
fine.
bye.
Okay, see you in the next class. See you.